Hello, I'm Lisa from Mythical Witchery. Welcome back to my channel. And if this is your first time here, welcome. I'm really glad to have you. Today I'm doing yet another unboxing of the Witch Casket. This is the July Witch Casket, and I've just received it today, so I thought I would share it with you. Let's have a look at what's inside. So this month's theme is Magic of the Night. We'll just take a really quick peek in here. I don't want to spoil the surprise of what's in the box. Okay, so here's your July Witch Casket. This month the theme is Magic of the Night. Embracing magic as we prepare for sleep and being mindful of our dreams and the insight they hold can be very valuable. We hope this casket helps you to enjoy some nighttime magic, improves the quality of your sleep, and encourages a deeper sense of well-being. Okay, so just really quickly there, I don't want to focus too much on this. We'll have a closer look at this at the end. All right, let's see what's inside. A quick note, as usual, Witch Casket is completely environmentally friendly. Even the packing peanuts are made from starch, and these dissolve in water. So you can even feed your plants with them. I believe at this point they have planted about 200,000 trees. They plant one for each box that they sell, which is really amazing. They've got a little forest growing. It's wonderful. Okay, let's see what else we've got here. So this is another manifestation card on this side and a lovely art card on that side. Isn't that pretty? And in here, a Witch Casket exclusive, prophetic dreams candle ritual kit. Contains all you need to encourage prophetic dreams. Let's have a look inside this. So we have the candle, and we have 2 packets of herbs and a card with instructions. So this includes chamomile and St. John's wort with directions on how to do the spell. And that's the back of the card. Another really pretty card. What's nice about their spell kits is the stuff that they include in them is stuff that's actually quite easy to get a hold of. So after you've used it one time, it's easy to replace the items if you want to do the spell again. Now the next thing, oh, this has caught my eye. Oh, look at that. Oh my gosh. Oh, I do love some gilding. Look at that. Hello, Jelly Bean. Have you come to say hello? You come to say hello? Don't knock into my camera, okay? All right. So this says Dream Journal on the side. And it has these absolutely gorgeous, gorgeous gilded edges. And let's see inside. So it's got a space to write your dream. What could this mean? Was it trying to tell me symbols, sigils, or imagery? How the dream made me feel, and a place for the date. Oh, what a fantastic book. And again, the edging. My gosh, I love it. Absolutely love it. Witch Casket never disappoints. Okay, let's see what's in here. Looks like a bracelet. Hello, Bean. You come to inspect. Yes, you always come to inspect. All right, what have we got here? Oh, that's lovely. It looks like celestite. Oh, no, I'm sorry. I was wrong. Blue lace agate. Wear this calming bracelet to raise your vibration and encourage positivity, tranquility, harmony, and appreciation. Pretty. What's Mummy got? Hey, what has Mummy got? Okay, bedtime witch's brew. So this is a packet of tea, enchanting blend of jasmine and chamomile. Steep 3 to 5 minutes. This is their scroll to add into your Book of Shadows or grimoire. Look at that little sticker with the bat and the moon. Love it. Oh, flowers and dreams. It's all different kinds of flowers that you may encounter in dreams and what they all represent. That's lovely. What else do we have here? Oh my gosh, I love the pin. They always send a pin. I mean, I think they always do. I can't think of a month that I haven't received a pin. So look at that. Lovely bat and the moon. I'm getting quite a collection of pins. What else do we have here? Another exclusive Prophetic Dreams pillow. This enchanting pillow contains a relaxing and intuitive blend of lavender and jasmine to encourage restful sleep and prophetic dreams. Oh, that's lovely. Look at that. Oh, it's so soft. Do you like that, Bean? Does that smell good? You just tuck it inside your pillow or underneath your pillow. Oh, I love that. Having a good old sniff of that. Does that smell good? Here, let's put that over here so you can give that a good sniff. Let's see what else we have in here. And that looks like moonstone. And it is moonstone. I got one right out of the two. I guess I should have known it wasn't celestite because celestite doesn't polish up like that. Moonstone is a gentle, feminine stone of inner strength, intuition, and growth. A stone which calms emotions and heightens intuition. It can be an excellent aid to peaceful sleep and prophetic dreams. It's quite pretty. Can never have enough crystals, in my opinion. And certainly you can never have too many. Let me see, Bean, what else we've got here. 2 more things in the box, it looks like. Oh, sorry, Bean. Let's see what this one is. What's in here, Jelly Bean? Oh, look at that. Oh, be careful there. It's a pen with a chunk of amethyst on top. Oh, how pretty to use with your journal. Look at that. Oh, that's lovely. Now that's really special. I love that. Okay, and I think this is the last thing inside. And yes, it is. Okay, another exclusive nighttime reading bedside book stand. Keep your favorite selection of nighttime reading books, dream journals, etc. close at hand with this enchanting nighttime book stand designed and created exclusively for Witch Casket subscribers. Let's have a look. I'll take all the pieces out here and then we'll see if we can assemble it. Okay, so we have this piece here and 2 of these. Oh, that's easy to assemble as well. Let me just put that together. In theory, it's easy to assemble. However, I'm struggling a little bit to get that in. Well, I'll work on it. I might have to just file that down a little. Oh, there we go. I got that side in. And then this side. Yeah, it'll go in. It's nice and snug. Look at that, though. Got a little bit of dust on it there. Push those all the way in after. That's really quite nice. I guess I should turn them so they're both facing the same way. But it's got the little moon with the bat and some stars. I love that. It's really great. Okay, so there we go. That is July's witch casket. It is filled with so many cool things. I absolutely love this. Look at this pillow. Isn't that great? I think, though, I have to say, my very favorite thing is this journal. It is so pretty, and all the purple, that just makes me so happy. And I love the pen. Oh my gosh, I love all of it. The pen is beautiful. That's incredible. This is, oh my gosh, I think this is my favorite witch casket so far. Oh my gosh, I absolutely love it. Okay, here's my rating, which should be of no surprise to anybody. This is a fantastic box. As I said before, you can never go wrong with a witch casket. I've not been disappointed even one time. Thank you again for joining me today. Hope to see you again soon. Please give this video a like if you found it useful at all. Subscribe if you haven't already. And hit the notification bell if you'd like to be notified next time I upload a video. Thank you so much for joining me. May love and laughter light your days. Until next time, bye for now. Bye-bye.